What's up, Papa? Where Grin at?
Go back up there.
My nigga, where Grin at, bro? Quit swinging the damn thing at me, man.
You're a thief and a true fake name. You're conniving.
A thief?
Yes, sir.
Where I steal?
Yes, sir. I said yesterday. I had 2 Percocet in this here bottle.
Yeah.
I ate one, woke up, and I had one left for your teeth.
My nigga, you think I want some dry ass pills?
Yes, sir.
Hell nah, nigga finna tell Grin on you ain't been drinking and shit, bro.
And I told you, my pimento cheese sandwich, my pardon me, who ate that?
Nigga, I don't know, I don't even stay here.
Your goddamn teeth.
Man, get that motherfucking cane up. Man, give me the motherfucking cane, bro. Your ass be tripping, bro.
Hold on now.
Some drunk ass.
Come on.
Oh, that's what we doing? That's what we doing, Papa?
Yes,
we pulling pistols, Papa?
Yes, sir.
That's what we doing?
Yes, sir.
Alright, I got you. Get your ass up, my nigga. Say, fool.
And I said,
You gonna put the bitch up or what?
2, like I said, hold on, I said 2 pills. Ate one left.
This nigga right here, man.
Hey, I tell you,
Fuck,
I
bro.
got your ass, like I said, bicycle door seat.
This nigga right here, man. What's going on, bro?
And I said, hey, this told me I had that joker scared, didn't it?
Man, fuck, bro. You trying to go to the store or what?
Yeah, he's strapped on.
Some motherfucker drunk ass in the car. This nigga right here had me scared the motherfucker.